Most people have someone in their life suffering from some type of age-associated brain disease. Whether it's a very common condition, such as Parkinson's disease or stroke or trauma, or more rare ones like Huntington's disease, just to name a few. The regenerative capacity of our brains cannot keep up with the worldwide rise in life expectancy. The project NSC-Reconstruct connects academia and industry to build upon the advances of European teams working together as a network in stem cells and regenerative medicine research in Europe over the last 15 years. The project aims to generate high-quality brain circuit repair strategies using stem cells and reprogrammed cells with the help of cutting-edge technology. Our work on therapies for Parkinson's and Huntington's not only compensates for the neuronal loss and disruption of brain circuits caused by neurodegenerative diseases, but will also provide the basis for new therapies when dealing with damage to the cerebral cortex. Research on cell replacement therapies has the potential to reduce disability and dependency on expensive drugs that currently offer only symptomatic benefit. Our types of restorative approaches would represent a major breakthrough and have the potential to result in an entirely new way of treating a broader range of debilitating brain conditions. In the near future, it is likely that cell replacement therapies will significantly lessen the need for patients to use drug therapies, as well as reduce patient morbidity and mortality, while also increasing their quality of life as well as their families. NSC-Reconstruct, at the forefront in the development of next-generation stem cell-based therapies to repair the brain.